Every year, billions of plastics are used for just a few minutes, but they remain in our environment for hundreds of years. According to the United Nations Environment Programme, plastic pollution is one of the biggest environmental threats facing the world today. But what if the agricultural waste materials farmers usually throw away could replace plastic packaging completely? In this video, we'll explore eco-friendly packaging from agricultural waste and why it may be the future of sustainable business. Come along with me. Plastic bags are made from petroleum-based materials. This one can't mean say, they rotten. It is stay for hundreds of years. Instead, they break down into microplastics, which contaminate soil, water, and even the food we eat. Like I said, plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose, so every bag ever used still exists in some form today. They block drainage systems and contribute to flooding in many cities. Animals often mistake plastic for food, leading to injury or death, and we humans, in turn, consume these animals. Could be fish. Plastic reduces soil fertility by preventing proper air and water circulation. Large amounts of plastic waste end up in massive ocean garbage zones. Because plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose, every bag ever used exists in some form today. According to the Food and Agricultural Organization, a large percentage of farm residues globally are either burned or dumped, causing air pollution and wasting valuable resources. Examples of Agric waste include sugarcane bagasse, rice husk, banana fibers, coconut shells, corn stalks, palm fibers. These materials can be processed into biodegradable packaging that naturally decomposes within months, not centuries. The production process is simple but innovative. Step 1. Agricultural fibers are collected and cleaned. Step 2. The fibers are processed into pulp. Step 3. The pulp is molded into packaging products using heat and pressure. Step 4. The finished products are dried and packaged for sale. The result is strong, lightweight, and biodegradable packaging such as shopping bags, food containers, disposable plates, paper wraps. Unlike plastic, these materials break down naturally without harming the environment. Eco-friendly packaging is not just good for the planet, it is also a fast-growing business opportunity. Governments worldwide are restricting the use of plastic. Restaurants and supermarkets are switching to biodegradable packaging. Raw materials are cheap and locally available. Export demand for sustainable packaging is increasing. With local agricultural waste supplies, basic processing equipment, and partnerships with food vendors. For countries with strong agricultural sectors, this is a huge potential green business. Eco-friendly packaging from agricultural waste helps to reduce plastic pollution, improve waste management, create green jobs, support sustainable agriculture. It turns waste into wealth while protecting the planet. Plastic pollution is a growing global crisis, but agricultural waste offers a powerful solution. With innovation and entrepreneurship, what was once discarded can become the foundation of a profitable and sustainable industry. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more content on sustainable business and green innovations across Africa.